Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shirani. Today I'm going to show you how to make these simple and delicious meatless tostadas. For this recipe, you're going to need some corn tortillas, some red beans, and this is beans that I cooked, some lettuce, tomatoes, and cheese. Now these ingredients are optional, so you can add some avocados if you want, some salsa, and some hot sauce of your choice. The first thing I'm going to do is fry up my beans, and I'm not putting any extra oil or seasoning in it because I just cooked these beans. I just want it to be a little bit thicker. If this was beans I had sitting in the refrigerator for a little while, I would fry it up with a little bit of coconut oil, some onion and garlic, just so I could taste fresh again before I eat it. Use the back of your spoon to mash the beans. You can also blend the beans before you fry it if you don't like to see the big pieces of beans, but I don't care about it. Sometimes I do it, sometimes I don't. If you want to see a recipe on how I make my beans, I'm going to leave it linked below for you. So while the beans is frying, I'm just going to go ahead and fry up my corn tortillas. To my pan set over medium heat, I'm going to add some canola oil. After your oil is nice and hot, fry up your tortillas for about a minute on each side or until they're brown and crispy. You don't want them to burn, you just want them to be nice and crispy. When they're done, just drain them on some paper towels. Now it's time to layer it. So the first thing I do is I put down some beans on the tortilla, and you can put as much as you want or as little as you want, it's up to you. I have a similar recipe up, that's my Belizean Garnaches. If you want to check that out, I'm going to leave it linked below for you. Then I'm going to put some salsa, and just use your favorite salsa. Top it with some lettuce, and I like using the Iceberg lettuce for this because I like the crunch. Add some tomatoes on top. And some grated cheddar cheese. This one is for my husband because he doesn't like it hot, but I always add hot sauce to mine. These are very customizable. You can make them however you want. You can use different kinds of beans, different kinds of lettuce, cheese, salsa. It's up to you, so this is just to give you an idea of what you can do. I really wanted to add some avocados on top, but mine weren't ripe enough, so I had to skip it. But the worst thing you can eat is a green avocado. Oh my gosh, it tastes so bad. So this one is mine and I'm topping it with a lot of sriracha because I love spicy food. I put pepper on everything. Well, there you go, another cheap and cheerful meal for you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. That will really help out my channel. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you have not yet subscribed, please don't forget to do that. And I'll talk to you in my next one. Take care. Bye.